This is the second video in the division using arrays with and without remainders. And this one is going to be covering interpreting remainders. Here are the teaks that we're covering. And let's jump in. So Frank has 16 cups of sugar. Each batch of cookies requires 3 cups of sugar. What's the largest number of complete batches of cookies that Frank can bake? So I'm looking for largest number of batches. Okay, so we're going to have 16 cups. Each batch requires 3 cups. Oops. Yeah, I did that right. And I want to know how many batches can I make. So I'm going to do 16 divided by 3. Okay. So let's come down here. 3's on the side. Here's our 10s, here's our 1s, and that's worth 16. So can I break that 110 up into three groups? No, I can't. Because if I do 3 groups of 110 each, that'd be worth 30, and well, I don't have 30. I only have 16. So that won't work. So I need to regroup this 10 into 1s. And I did it. 1 group, 2 groups, 3. So I'm going to divide into each of these groups. So if I give each group 1, that's going to be 2. If I give each group 2, that's going to be 3. If I give each group 2, then that'll be 6 that I've used. So each group gets 2. That's 6. If each group gets 3, that would be 9. If I give each group 4, that'd be 12. Let's see. 4. Come over here. 8. 12. I still have more over there. If I give each group 5, then that would be 15. I have 1 left over. So, how many complete batches can he make? He can make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He can make 5 batches. 5 batches, and he'll have 1 1 cup left over. Okay, there's some questions that we need to look at. So how many rows of cups are there? Well, there are 5 rows. Are there extras? Yes. Does the remainder affect our answer? No. Why? Because it's extra. Now, don't stop there and think that that's the way it's always going to be. Because it's not. Sometimes it does matter. Let's take a look at when it would matter. Frank needs 16 pairs of socks. The socks come in packages of 3. How many packages of socks will Frank need to buy? So I'm looking at packages of socks. There's 16 pairs of socks. And they come in groups of 3. And what my question is 16 divided by 3. How many packages does he need? So, again, am I going to be able to divide? Oh, sorry, I should draw it. Got 3 here. 10s, 1s. This is worth 16. Can I divide that 10 between 3 groups? Can divide this 10 into groups of 3? No, I can't. I can't do that. So I'm going to have to regroup it. Grouping, regroup it. Okay. And so now I'm going to need to put them in equal groups. So it's saying how many groups of 3 can I make, basically. I guess I should show you guys that this time. So let's take 1, 2, 3. There's a group. 1, 2. Well, that's a dot. Hold on. Go away, dot. 3. Second group. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I got this 1 left over right here. So how many groups of 3 did we make? We made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of 3. Okay. Well, so if I only have, let's think about this for a second. So I have 5 groups of 3. How many socks is that? That's 15 socks. 15 pairs. Is that enough? No. That one remainder right there, that's going to actually come into play. Because I'm going to need to have 6 groups of 3. And that gives me 18. So how many groups does he need to have enough? He needs 6 groups. Because if I only do 5 groups, that's not going to be enough. Again, let's take a look at our questions here. How many pairs of socks are in 5 packages? 15. Is 15 pairs enough? No. How many socks will another package give us? It'll give us 18. How many packages will we need to buy? We'll need to buy 6. Does the remainder affect? Yes. Why? How does it affect it? It lets us know we need another pair. Okay. So let's take a look at Lynette. Lynette has a piece of fabric that's 16 yards long. She wants to cut her fabric into 3 equal pieces. How many yards long will each piece be? How many yards each? Okay, if you haven't caught on by now, I still have 16. Still making groups of 3, and I want to know how long each piece is. No, I'm sorry. That's not correct. 16 to 3 groups. I want to know how long each group is going to be. So again, though, I'm doing 16 divided by 3. So, if you haven't noticed by now, I'm going to have to take this and regroup it into ones. Because there is no other way to do this. 16 divided by 3. I can't divide that 110 into 3 groups, so I have to break it apart. I have 16 ones. So, I'm going to take each group, and so I'm going to put them into 3 groups. So we got 1, 2, 3. So 1 in each, 2 in each, 3 in each, 4 in each. I know it's getting a little tight in there. A little crowded. 5 in each. And I've got this one left over here. Okay. Now, I can take this one piece. This one piece right here. And I can cut it into 3 equal pieces. And give that piece right there. Give that one to that one. Give that one to that one. So then I wind up having, so each of these pieces, let's back up a second. Each of these pieces would be 1/3. Be 1/3. So this one right here would be 5 and 1/3. This one would be 5 and 1/3. And this one right here would be 5 and 1/3. If we were looking at this using an algorithm, and I know I haven't really talked about the algorithm a whole lot, but we know that we've got 5, gives us 15. We know that we have 5 groups with this one left over. That's what that's saying. It's 5 groups with one left over. If I take this one and I divide it into the thirds, each one of those is going to be worth a third. Okay, so that's what I've got here. So it'll be 5 1/3 long. So you look at our questions down here. How many yards are in each group? 5 yards. Are there extra? Yes. How can we share this yard equally? Divide into thirds. What could we call each part? Okay, well, we can call it a third. And how long will each piece of fabric be? It'll be 5 1/3. I know this part is this last one was a little bit confusing. Go back, rewatch it, see if you understand, and if you don't, go ahead and write down in the WISC, and we can take care of it in class. All right.